Hi everyone. We are back again with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper in the additional of May the 15th on a Friday. This one is a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 O's in a row and 4 ones in a row or in a column. So let's get started. I see here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then we need to fill this. How about these two O's, double O, here one, there one. These two O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Here double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. How about here double O? Double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. We have also 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here and one, there one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one. Oh, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, because I do not know which place the O and the 1 can be filled. Do we have here 1 O? No, I cannot compare because, well, no, it's different. Can I compare this one? 1, no, it's different. So I need to compare the rows. 1001. Do we have 1001? 1001. Oh, yes. This row and that row. Let's compare 1100001100 empty box, 1 empty box. So I need to switch those two numbers in those two boxes. So we have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Oh, right. Not so difficult. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in this additional of the newspaper, A Tectonic. aka Suguru. See you later. Bye bye.